Their little climbing gym. Since she likes to climb, made her a little gym so she could climb.
Lay down. Lay down.
Lay down.
You want to lay down? Are you having fun?
Fun.
Really? Are you happy or sad?
Sad.
Really? How come you're sad?
Sad.
Really? When are you going to be happy?
Sad.
When are you going to be happy?
Happy.
Oh, right now?
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Right now.
Jackie, who's sitting over there?
Mama.
Who's this right here?
Daddy.
Who is this right here?
Ducky.
Careful, little head.
Jackie, how old are you?
One. Monkey. Oh,
Can you tell Dad? Can you tell Dad what monkey says?
Oh,
What does elephant say? What does bear say? What does lion say? What does duck say? What does a cow say? What does a sheep say? What does a pig say? Jackie, what does a birdie say? Oh, nice! What does a donkey say? What does a horse say? What does a kitty cat say? What does
Wolf say.
what does a wolf say? What does an owl say? You got some more for her, Mom?
What does a mouse say? Nice.
Nice.
Hi.
Hi. Jackie, how old are you? Jackie, what do the balloons do?
Papa.
Really?
Papa.
Oh, that's so nice.
What does a plane do?
What,
Wow.
what does a car do? What does a train do?
Choo-choo.
Yeah.
Boop.
You got something in your pants?
Bits.
Jackie, what's in your pants?
Bits.
What's in your
No,
diaper?
what's back here?
Bits.
What's in your diaper?
You're kind of stinky.
Dinky.
Yeah, what's in your pants? You don't like sitting down?
What's on your butt?
How come you keep standing back up?
Sit down.
You don't like to sit down?
You got poopy?
Lay down.
You don't like to sit down?
Lay down.
What's in your pants?
That's boop. So boop.